okay, I know this is gonna sound really stupid, but I feel that if I can do this, you know, if I can actually do my own laundry, there isn't anything I can't do.
That does not sound stupid to me. No, it's like the first time I had to make dinner for myself after Carol left me. I'm sorry, that's all the time we have. Next on Ross. Okay. Uh-oh.
What uh-oh?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The laundry's done. It's a song. The laundry song that we sing. Uh-oh. The laundry's done. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Ross, what's the matter with you?
No, nothing. Lilo, the laundry's done. Okay, all right. It's just that you left a red sock in with all your whites, and now everything's kind of pink.
Oh, everything's pink.
Yeah, except for the red sock, which is still red. I'm sorry. Please don't be upset. It could happen to anyone, Rach.
But it didn't. It happened to me. God, I'm gonna look like a big marshmallow peep. What am I doing? What am I doing? My father's right. I can't live on my own. I can't even do laundry.